Hey guys, we went back to my old system here. Well, I should have stayed with that instead of trying to be fancy. I've been able to adjust with a needle valve since I started doing this whole mess, and that's why I should have stayed. Got a little extension. All I got to do is just add some of that gas tape. Well, I'm gonna go get some here directly, and I appreciate y'all coming along, man. We all gonna get to do some forging today, so y'all stick around, man. Back up and running, y'all. I just turned the damn lights out for Chromatix. You know I'm a little bit behind I had too much coffee. It's too early to fire up the press, y'all. But we're gonna go ahead and get that maintained, normalized, and quenched. Let me get everything set up for y'all, man. First normalizing cycle. See, I've got that edge ground about the thickness of a dime, so I got to be careful on that right there, man. You know, now we let it cool down. I'm gonna do that a couple more times, bringing it out at a reduced heat each time, and then we'll quench it, and I'll get back with y'all when we quench. knife is born at that time. When it goes in that oil, that's when the knife is born. Back out. All right, guys, we got started about 4 o'clock this morning, I guess, and I got the first temper cycle done on this knife right here, and I scrubbed it off because I'm gonna beg Mama to let me use her oven to finish it out, you know. But I'm pleased with what's happening here. It's a nice little old piece. Of course, we got a long way to go, you know, because it's only at 120. But man, sanding it to 120 and then doing the thing in the oven, that worked out real good. At the same time this morning, we went ahead and did that one with the 80 CRV 2.4, and I sanded it off, and I ain't decided yet whether I'm gonna forge this one out or make a hidden tang, you know, just make a little notch right here and then draw that out and have a nice little blade. But we got us a core, and it's that 33 layer lazy wrap, I call it. And we got these two right here too, and I may do this one here just for shits and grins with a small knife, just to see what she looks like. And I drew this one on here, but I'm not sure if that's what I want to do or not. This one here is definitely a candidate for forging out, because you know, once we got that little piece in there and put our old hoses and regulator back on, everything worked out great. I'm gonna go ahead and try to temper this knife and get it done, and we'll give you some updates when we got it. I'm gonna go ahead and get this put together and posted. Appreciate y'all, man.